Is Google Android pathing failed due to the libgl ES version 2 translator DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. I've linked the primary utility for libgl ES version 2 translator in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the libgl ES version 2 translator. Associated with the Angle, almost native graphics layer engine project, this library translates OpenGL ES 2.0 calls to Direct3D. It is essential for Android emulators and web browsers. If missing, the emulator will report graphic context failed to initialize and will display a black screen. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. libgls v2 translator is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X-input, or X-audio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered libgl ES version 2 translator component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the graphics library is still causing trouble, we will move on to a clean driver installation, and you must run Display Driver Uninstaller, known as DDU, to remove every trace of your current display software. Reinstalling the official driver package from the hardware manufacturer after a full wipe is the most reliable way to fix a corrupted DLL reference. Why are we doing this? Well, driver files are frequently locked by active processes, and using an uninstaller in safe mode is the only way to ensure the old binaries are fully replaced by new ones. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of libgl ES version 2 translator DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your libgl ES version 2 translator environment. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved libgl ES version 2 translator error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.